Carrie with King Concoctions here, back for more cold process soap. Today I'm going to use fresh cut grass again from the Southern Sensations to make a second college football soap, this time for University of Michigan, which is maize and blue. So that's the colors we're going to be doing today, a yellow color and a blue color. The yellow color is just going to be the yellow I frequently use, which is this one from eBay. The blue I'm going to use is this blue color, also from eBay, mixed with activated charcoal. The blue for U of M is a navy blue, so that's what I'm hoping the combination there will give me. But I'm all ready and set to go, so let's get soaping. Adding my lye water to my oils. And buzzing it up. There we go, nice thin trace. I don't know if I'll need my stick blender yet, so I'm just going to set it off to the side. Since I already know this fragrance oil performs so well, I'm just going to add all of it straight to my batch. Just like before, I'm going to pour some off into a container. The smaller container will be my yellow. So in here, I just have that yellow mica mixed in some of the oils from my batch. In my big batch here, I'm going to color it navy blue. I'm adding about half a tablespoon of activated charcoal and a tablespoon of the blue. That's very close to what I want. And I add just a little bit more activated charcoal. I think that's navy blue. It looks navy blue to me. This is getting pretty thick, so I'm going to start pouring. Here's my mold. Same mold as before. It's going to start with the blue. Going to rotate to the yellow. Back to the blue. Yellow again. More blue. Alright, now save the rest for the top. I'm going to put most of my yellow in here. Gonna bang it down and swirl it. Now the rest of my soap to the top. Just spreading the blue out a little. Gonna add a little bit of yellow that I have left to the top. Honestly thought I had a little more yellow than that, but that's okay. Also gonna swirl it. Alright, and just in a moment or two, I'm also going to texture the top. Let me bring that up so you can see it. I'm just going to texture it the same as I did that last one. Oops. Alright, I gotta stop messing with it. Just like before. Gonna add some salt to the side. Bring it up one more time. Alright, and that is the fresh cut grass in U of M colors. I'll see you when it's ready to cut. Okay guys, I'm back to cut the fresh cut grass fragrance for U of M. The colors turned out perfect. Just like the other one, I'm going to cut it on its side so the salt doesn't get in the way. Quite lovely. Absolutely love the colors in this one. Shh, don't tell anybody, but I like U of M more than Michigan State University. No particular reason. My mom was taken care of by the doctors at U of M. And so, but I did not attend either, so truthfully, I don't care that much. But, you know, I don't blame people for having their fandoms. One day you might get a white and red one for Red Wings, because that one I do care about. And this is the last bar. That's the other side of it. I'm gonna carry it. And that's the fresh cut grass soap for University of Michigan. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.